Jamaica, watch
morning,
this.
the people them will work out of Manley International Airport. This is a new week. Same foolishness when I go on with last week, don't bother come back with it this week again. Because me don't know what make Friday and Saturday uno out there 2 days and a standstill. Because uno and the people them we are come in to come help the Melissa victims them. And people we are come back at them here to them family. Uno out there. I search the people them luggage and I take out when I feel like so if you take out of the people them luggage. That's uno and them in a one piece of ruckus out them. If I know wharf, they are going to people barrel or out of the airport, they are thief out the people them things. Like, you need to stop. Stop thief out the people them things them out of them luggage. Them a come back home to them family and have to stuck at airport for how long because them have to in a airport a war. We don't know if stop going at them things, them go thief out them things. We never send nobody go foreign go work or never send nobody go foreign on vacation to go buy up them things. Or no stop going at the people them luggage them go thief out the people them things. Or the people them fear come to Jamaica to come help them family and them and the victims them are out here and not out here. I take out the people them things out of them luggage. You know how much time the people them out of wharf do it and not now come out of it on the start at airport now. I search the people them things them and I take them out a new week. Nobody the same foolishness.